Where are you taking these quotes from? Because people just say anything.
You also included. Hello everybody, this is Priyam from Team Miss Malini, and today I'm hanging out with a very, very tall and gorgeous and beautiful Shayoni Gupta. Hello.
She just told me how short I was and compared me to herself, saying you would understand my apathy because these chairs are like not meant for short people, basically.
Do not tell them. This is our little
I'm
secret.
way taller than you, Priyam.
What has been happening? What are you doing now? Jolly LB2 just released.
Just released.
And it's done phenomenally well,
Yeah.
obviously.
Today it crossed 100 crores, whatever it means. But yeah, I just spoke to Subhash sir and everyone is happy. It's nice that people are liking the film, honestly, and liking every aspect of the film, you know. A film, if you make a film, you would want people to connect, right? And that's happening, which is great. And it also talks about something very relevant today. So it's a very important story. And so it's great. And apart from this, I've been shooting constantly. And I finished a film called The Hungry, which is an Indo-British collaboration. It's an adaptation of Shakespeare's Titus Andronicus. So yeah, it was like the most fulfilling cinematic experience of all our lives. Like the whole cast and crew has an amazing cast. There's Nasiruddin Shah, Tiska Chopra, Neeraj Kabi, Karan Pandit, Suraj Sharma, Antonio, Arjun, two boys, one from London.
Casting crew has
Yeah. It's like everything's come together. But the crew, the average age of the crew and cast was 26. But it was the most brilliant and fabulous bunch of people who came together. It was just the synergy, everything was just really magical. Yeah.
It must have been
very
cool
happy
for you because didn't Nasiruddin Shah also teach you when you were?
Exactly, yeah, it was superb.
I've arrived now.
No, not arrived, but it was very special. It was really because also like my understanding of the craft of acting is a lot from what he believes in, and not because I idolize everything he says, but he's, in class, everything his understanding of the craft made a lot of sense to me. And suddenly I was like, I remember, and this was end of 3 years almost, in FTI. And suddenly he came and made it sound so simple. And all those 3 years, I kept thinking, acting itna hawa nahi ho sakta yaar, simple cheez hai, truth hai na.
You feel it a little.
Yeah, and then you obviously work on the little craft that you have to, but it's just, you have to just be relaxed and know your script well enough, and it comes to you. You have to let it happen also. So those kind of things. So it was very, very special to actually be able to collaborate with him on something so special.
Okay, so now that you've made the effort of climbing all these stairs to come and see me in your heels.
Yeah, you should actually in your text messages, you should say that, carry flats or wear flats and come. And this is the third time I'm coming to the office, and every time once I remember in the middle, last time I came, I was wearing, but today again, and I saw the building, I was like, oh my god, I forgot.
Again. I know. So now that you've done this feat, I'm going to reward you by playing some really cool games with you. Okay, are you ready? Okay, so I'm going to throw some sentences at you, and you tell me if they're true or not.
Okay.
True or false. And if they're true...
Not talk.
No, you have to talk. And if they're true, you tell me why. And if they're false, you tell me why. Now that I'm a famous celebrity, I handle male attention much better. True or false? Why?
I was born with handling it really well. Like, come on. Those things.
Come and go.
Not come and go, but you handle male attention. What is that? Yeah, you get attention.
But I'm assuming
since I was a child, I was getting attention.
Of course.
Like, not like that. The attention keeps changing, but it's attention.
But it's cool. Okay.
Yeah.
I do a big banner film even if I don't really like it.
Never.
But what if it's...
I've never done it. Have I?
Not yet. But
no, I will never do it.
Okay. I love Disco Dancer.
Disco Dancer?
Yeah.
The film Disco Dancer. It's my favorite.
I know.
Oh, yeah. Oh, I wanted to marry Mithun Chakravarti. Chakravarti.
Chakravarti, of course. That's Bangla pride.
Yeah.
Okay. So, you do know you have lesbian rumors about you, right? Of course. But you do know that, right?
Really?
Yeah, of course you know.
So, I remember Gacy family had a screening of Margarita and we all went.
And I love that film. It's just...
Thank you. I also think it's quite a beautiful film. But people I met refuse to believe I'm straight. They're like, no. I was like, that only means that I've probably played it convincingly. Well. But if you want to, I'm completely straight. But I wish I was.
Which brings me to...
No, I wish I was because honestly, men are very difficult to live with. I wish I was a lesbian and I could, because I love the women in my life and I love my friends and we all discuss this. that, I would love to be with a woman. Probably it's as difficult or, gets as interesting as you go with it if you're in a relationship. But I just feel women just understand each other, man. It's so much easier. They're cleaner. They'll do everything. Prettier. Yeah, nicer, prettier to look at, when you wake up in the morning also, like nice
visual.
And everything. Like, women are great to, live with. And, if I don't find a man soon, then I'm just, I have pacts with my girlfriends that will adopt together. Because we want babies. Yeah. And I think that's the way to go. You're welcome to join our harem.
Really?
Yeah, please.
And I know your harem's got, Kalki and Radhika Apte, and they're my most favorite women.
Yeah,
I once, bumped into Kalki in a bar, and I have just, oh God. I was
she's amazing.
Fairly dug up, oh my God, I love you so much. She's like, okay, creep.
Yeah. No, but she's used to it. We all love her.
Okay. I think having lesbian rumors is super edgy. Is it? No. But okay. I love it when industry people call me baby. How you're like, baby ka juice.
Did I? No, nobody's ever. My friends sometimes make fun of me saying, baby ka juice. But no. But I liked when Shah Rukh called, because Shah Rukh calls everyone baby, right? Baby. So first thing he ever told me is, baby, I don't know your name, yeah. And he hugged me. I was like, yeah, I'm so ready to be a baby. But everyone says baby or darling. Or babe. I find babe a little funny though.
I hate darling.
Why babe? Darling also.
Why? Babe because of
the funniest is dear. When people write, you were very good dear. God bless you dear. I was like, what is this dear doing in this part of the sentence? It's the funniest.
Okay. Next, true or false? I wouldn't be down for on-screen nudity.
I will be.
Yeah?
So, yeah.
Okay.
Depends on the script story if it
for
really...
Sure. But it's not it's not a reservation thing.
It'll take a lot of work. It's very difficult. But yeah, if it comes and if I think it's important enough.
Is there anything you wouldn't do on screen? This is where I draw the line. Not nudity wise, just generally, just stuff that you wouldn't do.
I wouldn't do intercourse.
It's a good call.
I wouldn't do many things, play any part which is misogynistic or
for sure.
Is politically incorrect. I wouldn't do it.
Okay. I would never gain weight for a role, humongous amounts of weight.
Maybe I will.
Yeah?
Yeah.
But you'll have to lose
it. Has to, the check has to be way larger than the weight.
For sure.
Totally.
For sure.
Yeah.
Okay. Yeah. So I have actually, in my prep for this interview, I have actually read up some stuff you said, and you will see lots of very fun things. Okay, so I'm going to read back 5 quotes that you have said at different points of your career, and it's fairly.
Where have you taken these quotes from? Because people just say anything.
You also included. Quote number 1. This Shravani Gupta has said, and these words have come out of her own mouth. And this is chilled out, really. I don't know why I'm building this up so much. Okay, I was trying to give Kalki an orgasm. This was quote, by the way.
Yes.
So please tell me about this amazing
orgasm. It's in Margarita. No, when I was talking to Farid.
There's acting, and then there's method, and then there's this.
No, what happened was, honestly, it was a very difficult scene. The sex scene from Margarita. And it's actually not very explicit at all when you see it.
I was just going to say it was done so well because it
wasn't
done sleazy or
So we could never see the monitor while we were shooting the film. The first time I saw any frame from the film was when I was dubbing for it. But when we were workshopping for it, we had to workshop for the scene as well, right? And it was very beautiful. The way Kalki and I was, it was just literally 2 people who love each other. There was a lot of give and take. It was really beautiful. But in my head, I kept thinking, abhi rehearsal mein jitna kiya take mein zyada hi karna padega. And then Shonali refused to cut. It was a half circular track, and she kept going, and 19 minutes that shot went on for. Yeah? 19 minutes, can you imagine? So I got done with the phase, then I came down, and then I just said that I wanted Kalki to actually have an orgasm in not really, but just enjoy this and because it was such a sensitive moment, she was actually orgasming for the first time, and for a paraplegic person who's never actually experienced this, it's going to be skyrocketing, so at least something. And poor thing was actually did not, she was really tormented, and mortified, because she was very uncomfortable, because she was underneath, right, and it went on for so long, and she got up and said, what the fuck were you doing? And I was like, I'm so sorry, and we couldn't have done anything, it was just so long for both of us. But that's how it happens, every time we have to do a kissing scene or a making out scene, it's just the most technical, most, not nice, not nice.
Not pleasant for anyone.
No one. You know, it's just very difficult. It's very technical and
to take care of facing and stuff.
Not even facing, but also like feel palpable, that tension. You know, it's just like not.
Okay, so then she did not get an orgasm, or did she?
No, she did not.
She was just like, what the fuck are you
doing? I
doing?
did say that.
Okay, you did say. Okay, next. It was. I also saw like when you said it, so I know you didn't mean it like that, but this is what you said, Shakti. It was Yash Chopra's wish to see Shah Rukh Khan on screen.
No, you were not there. This I saw. This I said too again.
Yeah, so I'm not saying you said it to me. You've said it like.
Of course, I said in the same interview. See, some people just like build that thing in you. You just say. So I just said because Shah Rukh doesn't. So I told him that I really wanted to kiss Shah Rukh on screen. I told Manish, I'm doing a bit with him, you don't. And then Farid said that you don't. But Shah Rukh doesn't kiss on screen. I said no, he didn't. Jumping when we both said it, and then as like an after, I was like, yeah, I think it was Yashji's dying wish to see Shah Rukh Khan kiss on screen. Which I mean, with all due respect to Yashji, because he was a great man, but yeah, it was just like, come on.
Yeah,
I'm joking.
I know, but it was
joking.
Okay, I'd be a slave to Shah Rukh Khan.
Yeah. Oh my God, I think we stand by it. I would be. Absolutely.
Totally vibing.
Guys listening, like there are two people already, and I'm sure more. No, I don't want anyone. I really don't want to stay back.
I mean, I don't want to be a slave. Like, if you're wishing
Shah Rukh Khan, you can do.
If you're wishing for things,
I'd get him like morning breakfast. Yeah.
If you're wishing for things, I'm pretty sure like slave is not like what we should wish for. No, like something more, no? But slave to Shah Rukh
I want to be his best friend.
Yeah.
For the next, like how many ever years?
Yeah. And like lives.
Yeah. Yeah.
Or Saath Janam ka Rishta.
Yeah.
Okay.
No, this time.
Yeah.
Sanjay, I know.
This isn't true, love. Shah Rukh, if you're watching. And Shah Rukh kissed me once and anyway. So.
It's been many times.
You shut up. You didn't. We had to. If I was doing a film with him, like, get me.
But he's the best hunter ever.
He's just. How is he so incredible? He's just the best person.
He's blessed. He's a
Right?
blessed soul.
And like when he walks into a room, you're just like.
No, his corner, you know where he is because he's like sitting on the floor or doing something, when everyone's around him because that's the funniest corner of the room.
And he's so chill.
Yeah.
And
He's
so.
Yeah. Really cool.
Okay. I'm reading some really bad scripts, so I don't want to overview.
Yeah, most scripts are really bad.
Why you're such a great
you
actor? I'm saying, okay, you're such a great actor. You've done a body of work. Now, why you still like
everyone reads bad scripts? Everyone, even the biggest actor, even Shah Rukh Khan reads bad scripts, because most scripts that are written are really bad. There's no standard of writing in the country. What are you talking about?
So then again, so do you go through the entire script every
Of course. Once I've not. Only once in my life I've not finished a script. I just couldn't. It was something about that script that I just couldn't, but I tried to read the script honestly before saying no.
Which is a nice, okay. And finally, which I love, I think I can be Aamir Khan's twin sister.
Yeah, you see my ears? See, I could fly with them. Like elephant ears, So
that's really not true though.
It is! Look at, in one loop test, they wanted to double take my ear. It obviously stays, so they put like, but they're really, like, I have pixie ears, and so does Aamir Khan. I could play like twins.
That is what I'm saying. I will watch that.
See, I'm adding something to it. Aamir Khan, please play your twin.
Same here, same here.
Hi, this is Shayoni, and you're watching me on MissMali.com. And if you like us, and especially Priya, you must like and subscribe to the channel.